Hello again, coffee and cartoon lovers. So I got this Wanda coffee here. Wanda coffee Lamborghini Urraco. It's pretty cool. It's got really cartoonish small wheels though, and a giant fender gap. But they're so small I don't know what else to replace them with. So I left it as it is. But I was looking around and I found there's another Wanda coffee car. In this case it's Wanda Coffee Gold. So I'm guessing Wanda Coffee Gold is a newer drink that they're trying to push, and they have this whole collection of stuff here. So this is what we're talking about today. Here we are. So this is a Lamborghini Urraco S. I would assume that means sport. And Wanda made a version of this that's a little bit different than that blue one. Okay. Yeah. So let's take a look here. The wheels are pretty close. These are actually pretty cool wheels for, a freebie that came with some coffee. And then you got silver paint around the windows. The windows are dark smoked plastic, you can see there. And then you got that weird styling element, whatever these louvers are on the side. And then we have the Lambo badge printed on. Pretty tight panel gaps. Some recesses there. Orange paint for the turn signals. A nice texture here for the grille. Silver for the bumper. The molded in door handle. And then the taillights are nicely done. And then all this printing is just as good as any diecast. Lamborghini Urraco S. Backup lights, chrome bumpers. This license plate is really the tab, I think, holding the base in. And then 4 exhaust tips, although not silver. The louvers up here, a couple ribs there, some contaminant, the little bumps for the wiper fluid, and silver trim around the window there. What's weird is, I don't know why they don't say Wanda on the bottom of this thing. It's a free promotional item. If you're trying to promote something, wouldn't you want to write Wanda Coffee Gold or something? It seems obvious to me, but maybe not for others. This is a pullback toy if you're unaware. Oh, I think the motor's broken. That's a first. Oh. Well, I don't know. Oh, I think something's getting stuck up in there. Whatever. I don't play with these things. So, the only thing really wrong is maybe the tire gap is it's not so bad in the front, but this rear one, yeah, it's a little bit high. I could remove them and just add some putty. Maybe I'll do that later, but for the sake of this video, I'll just leave it alone. So here's the original one we can compare it to. This one obviously has opening features, this one does not. But tire-wise, right, I think the clear winner is the green, and the wheels themselves look really nice. So, panel gap wise, if you look at the front here, the headlights here, they're much tighter on this green one. And then the badge itself is a little more proportionate. Right? And then the grille here, yeah, the front turn signals, yeah, the green car is just better all around. And then look at the printing on the back here, right? There aren't even exhaust tips on this one. So it's funny that you would see progress in this freebie industry, but it's nice to see, even something that's free, progress is being made. I mean, I think that's a pretty big difference, right? So, the chrome trimmer on this window, this just doesn't have any chrome trim at all, right? A lot more going on in this guy. It's almost like, this is almost choro-q quality, or I guess it is choro-q quality. It has everything that choro-q has. So, that's pretty amazing when you think about that. Okay. Alright. Let's compare to the real car. Let me get the spinning thing out. So I have a 1/64 scale. It's a Kyosho. It just says Lamborghini Urraco. I don't think it's a Urraco S. is there an S on the back of that Kyosho? I'll have to see when it comes around again. It is an S. The bottom doesn't say S. Okay, so you can see the wheels are similar. The tail, yeah. It's a pretty good cartoon representation of the real car, I think. Alright. So I'm happy to, learn about progress in the freebie promotional items industry. So it's nice to see that Wanda coffee is around. I've never drank one. I've never seen a Wanda coffee in my life. But I would probably drink it. If I could actually get freebies, I would drink it religiously. Okay, well, alright. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you around. Thanks.